I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the
Welcome back to my channel. So this is Samira Z fashion channel. So this is the fabric that we're using to make a tube. I'm showing you the front and the wrong side of it. So what we do now, we'll start with the measurements, and it's a tube that we are making. So we are doing it with the up shoulder style. So what I'm doing there now is what I'm removing out of the tape with 6 and get the length 23. So you measure and get the length 23, and that is what I just done here. So now we'll start with the measurement of the neck. What I'm giving there is 4, so mark 4 on it. After having your 4, you get your armhole. So now is the armhole. I also mark 2, so that is 2 that I'm marking there to get your armhole. So that is the armhole, and you roll it out. So now you mark to get your half length. So you know you are doing up shoulder tube, so remember to be taking away your 6, because you see that I'm removing from the tape. So now we'll start with the measurement. Our measurement is 38, so you divide 38 by 4 and mark, and also divide your waist. So that is the waistline there that I'm marking. So the waist is 28, so you mark 28 and divide it. What will you have on your tape rule? You will have 7.5, so that is that 28 on the waistline. And remember to add your allowance, and that is the allowance there that I'm marking, 2-inch allowance each that I'm marking. So that the downside there now is the hip. So you divide your hip. The hip is 42, so you mark. So now I'm connecting it now from the armhole side to the waist side, from the waist side to the hip side now. So that is it now. That is the measurement. The measurement is done. So what next? I just want to curve it. I don't want it to go straight. So you can see the curve that I've curved there. What did I mark from there? Is 1.5 that I use it to curve it out. So that is the downside that I've curved out. So that is the front side of it. Remember, it's a tube that we are making today. Now I'm cutting. So to get the armhole, that is what I'm doing there now, to mark to that 2 that we mark there and curve it out. So that is the downside now that I'm cutting now. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please make a comment and share it to a friend. Give it a thumbs up. So that is the cutting side of the front that I'm cutting now, and I hope you can see what I'm doing there now. So that is the front side of the cutting. So I'm cutting it out. So please make a comment to a friend, comment and watch it to the end, so that you can do it by your own, do it by yourself. So that is the essence of showing you this video that we are doing. So I want all of us to grow together. So that is it now. So that is the front side. We're done with the front side of it. So I just want to open it for you to see. So that is it now. Can you see how it is now? So after this, what is the next step now? Just for you now to fold the other side of it, that is the back side, and use it to lay at the back side of it, that is the front. So that is the laying side now. And remember to add your inch, your zip inch allowance is 1.5 that I'm adding there. So can you see what I'm doing with the tape rule and rolling it out for you to see? That is the zip side of it, 1 inch that I added there. So please don't forget to subscribe. So what I'm just doing now is I'm cutting it, because the measurement is already done with the front side of it. So it's just for you to cut, because I'm using the front side to cut out the back side of it. Remember, I added allowance to get our zip side. So it's 1.5 that I added there. So that is the cutting, and we now open it. So the neck that we are using is a straight neck. So you can see that we need cut anything from that hand upside that is the next side. So what next? Just for you now to go and stitch it on your machine, and your tube will be ready. So that is it. So that is the back side of it now. So I will take it to the machine and stitch. So can you see it now? How it is, how it will come out. So you can see that it ready. So can you see how beautiful it is now? So don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. Love you guys. See you in my next video.